Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be working some more on longclaw, and so here's what we're going to use the blade. So we're going to sand it down. I did make it triangular shaped up here. Down here is going to be the handle. Okay. We're going to do that next video. So in this video we're only going to be starting to work on we'll actually make this more blade-like. So I wanted to show you guys what I did off camera. Here's the finished pommel. Well, not quite finished, it's only painted. This is how I'm going to attach. I'm going to glue it and shove it in to the end. Down here. Right here, this thing. It's attached down here. So, let's get started. Alright, so I want to show you what I did. Here, as you can see, oops, I've been shaving that down a bit. Yeah, halfway down. You only want it to be like about halfway down or so. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind when you're doing this. Alright, so I'll get back to work. Alright, here's the blade thus far. See, I've been putting a screw in the middle. I think we're going to do the rest with a belt sander. So, I'm going to do that off camera. But if you like what you're seeing, like this video and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.